welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can remove the history of Safari in MacBook OS. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to open the launchpad. So we have to click on this, and after clicking on this we need to open the Safari. As you can see, has in Safari. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, the Safari is open. Now simply what we need to do, we have to go to here. As you can see, here Safari is written, so we need to click on this. So after clicking on it, we need to click on the clear history. As you can see, has an option for the clear history. So let's click on this. After clicking on this, as you can see here, we have to select the data, that which data we want to erase, like the search history we want to erase. If you want to erase the history of the last hour, then you have to select this. If you want to history of the whole day, then you need to select this, and all the options are provided here. You can choose them as per your need, and after that simply you have to hit the clear history and the history will be removed. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can remove the history of Safari in MacBook OS. So see you guys in the next video.